Hey there everyone, it's been a long 70 days since Zimbabwean authorities arrested Jameson Timber and 74 activists from the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC. Let's dive into what's going on and why it matters. On June 16, 2024, a day meant to commemorate the International Day of the African Child, the situation took a dark turn. Jameson Timber, interim leader of the CCC, and his fellow activists gathered at his residence in Harare, but things didn't go as planned. The authorities swooped in, accusing them of holding an unauthorized political meeting. Police spokesperson Paul Niati claimed the gathering lacked official authorization and quickly escalated into violence. As the activists resisted, clashes ensued, leading to injuries on both sides. 75 individuals, including Timber, were arrested and charged with gathering with intent to promote public violence and disorderly conduct. But here's where it gets even more troubling. Amnesty International jumped in, condemning the arrests and highlighting a disturbing pattern of repression in Zimbabwe. The human rights organization raised serious concerns about allegations of torture inflicted upon the detained CC activists. Kanyo Faris, Amnesty International's Deputy Regional Director for Southern Africa, called for an impartial investigation into these torture allegations. She stressed the urgent need for immediate medical attention for those who might have been subjected to ill treatment. She urged the Zimbabwean government to uphold its constitutional and international human rights obligations, including the right to peaceful assembly and freedom from torture. If these allegations are proven true, it would constitute a grave violation of international law. Amnesty International didn't stop there. They demanded the immediate and unconditional release of all detained CCC activists. The organization argues that their detention is arbitrary and politically motivated, intended to silence dissent and curtail opposition activities. They also called for the charges against the activists to be dropped, labeling them as baseless and fabricated. The international community has echoed these calls, urging the Zimbabwean government to respect human rights and the rule of law. This incident has shone a spotlight on the significant challenges faced by opposition groups in Zimbabwe and the urgent need for greater protection of civil liberties. 70 days in detention is a long time. For Jameson Timber and the 74 activists, it's 70 days too many. Their fight for justice and freedom continues, and the world is watching. Thanks for tuning in. Keep informed, stay engaged, and let's stand together for human rights. Until next time, take care.